Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Astralite in Lords Mobile. Astralite is a crucial resource for empowering your astral familiars, making them much stronger in battles. You'll find it by participating in special events, completing daily quests, and sometimes even through specific monster hunts. Understanding its proper application is key to maximizing your familiar's potential and gaining a significant advantage in both player versus player and player versus environment combat scenarios. Let's dive into the details. Acquiring Astralite is a consistent process within Lords Mobile. Focus on participating in all available limited-time events, as these often provide the largest quantities. Don't forget your daily and weekly quests, which frequently reward smaller but steady amounts. Additionally, keep an eye out for special event monsters on the world map. Defeating them can yield valuable Astralite. Joining an active guild and participating in Guild Fest or Kingdom Versus Kingdom events will also significantly boost your collection efforts. Once you've gathered a good amount of Astralite, it's time to put it to use. Head over to your familiar grounds and select the astral familiar you wish to enhance. You'll see an option to upgrade skill. Each skill requires a certain amount of Astralite to level up, directly boosting its power and impact in combat. Focus on skills that complement your overall army composition and battle tactics for the most impactful upgrades. Smart allocation makes a huge difference. To truly maximize your Astralite's impact, strategic management is essential. Instead of upgrading every familiar a little, focus your resources on one or two core astral familiars that best suit your playstyle. Remember to research relevant technologies in your academy, as these can provide valuable bonuses to Astralite acquisition or usage. It's often wise to save Astralite for those higher-tier familiar skills, as they typically offer more significant power boosts. Avoid spreading your resources too thin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.